Hi everyone, this is Adam from Cube 3 and today I'm going to be bringing you an unboxing video of the new Gunnar glasses. These are the Gunnar Siege 6 glasses. Now you must remember the Lightning Bolt 360 that we loved so much and I modelled. Well, there will be no modelling today, just while I do a quick unboxing for you. I will show you pictures of it later on with my wife, possibly modelling it, or myself, because they are indeed unisex glasses. So let's take these out of the box. This came all the way from America. I'm based in the UK, if you don't know, so appreciation to GunnarOptiks for sending it across. So here you can see, it says Siege. It's 6 Siege actually, not Siege 6. So surviving in 6 Siege is all about group tactics and working as a team. As an operator, you're no good to your team if you can't perform your best during intense close quarters combat. Equip yourself with 6 Siege Ash Edition, gaming glasses to stay sharp, alerted and protected. Load out, execute and win with help from Gunnar. So there we go. Gunnar Performance and Protection. So these are, if we can see here, the style is Ash, the colour is Onyx, and the lens are the Amber React. And those are just some barcode details. What else do we have? There's the GunnarOptiks logo, the G. Nothing on the back here on there. So let's get these open. And that was easy enough. And out comes, oh, look at this. Oh, here we go. So first of all, did you hear how loud that was? My goodness. There's the Gunnar protection, performance and protection, the guideline about the Gunnar story, and some details about reduce digital eye strain, block blue light, sleep better, prevent dry eyes, minimize glare, blue light protection factor, BLPF, focusing power, all various different details there. So we've got the amber in there, so that's for optimal protection and performance. And there we go. Focusing power. See digital screens naturally while protecting the eyes. Cool, so there we go. So that's that card. What else we have here? We have, let me move that a little bit just out of the way. Are you happy with these? Then leave a review at gunnar.com/reviews. That's Gunnar. And on the back, a very nice business card. If you're not happy, give them a call. That's an American phone number there. So I think the dialing code from the UK would be 01, maybe, or 001, I can't remember. And the email address is support@gunnars.com. Now that's interesting, because the website there says gunnar.com, and the email address says @gunnars.com. So that might be worth checking if there's a separate website. So what we have here, you can see it says Ash on the box, and as you heard, that's a very nice metallic finish. Very sturdy box indeed. Will keep your glasses nice and protected. Very cool to the touch, and as you heard, it sounds like it's tap dancing. So open sesame. Oh, that's good. That's got quite a good, watch this. Ooh. It's got a bit of a spring on it, so it stays open. So here inside, we have the 6 Siege bag in which the glasses are stored. And we also have a special Gunnar cleaning cloth. Okay, so it says Ash on it as well. So you know, if you have multiple glasses, you'll know which cleaning cloth is for which pair of glasses. Now let's have a look at this. Actually, this looks quite cool. So there's the back, nice and plain and white. And then here, look at this, 6 Siege Ash Gunnar. That's very cool. In fact, that kind of looks a bit like Darth Vader. It's a bit Star Warsy, but it's very cool. So let me place that to one side. You can see inside the case there, it says Gunnar 6 Siege, 6 Siege logo, 2020 Ubisoft Entertainment. Yes, I'm British, so I say Ubisoft. I'm sure many people watching this will be like, Ubisoft? Doesn't he mean Ubisoft? It's a bit like we say Tuesday in the UK and Americans say Tuesday. So that's one for debate, isn't it? So there you go, 6 Siege. There's Gunnar. Oh, and there's very cool. Oh, there we go, that's Gamer Girl there. looking very snazzy. She's got a missile on the lower back. It says Ash there at the bottom. And she's got a very long ponytail with a nice cap on and a very cool jacket. So let me open this up and then we can take these out. And there we go, so there's a little protection sleeve on there. You can see on here it says Gunnar on one arm, Gunnar on the other. And what's very cool is it has like 3 dots, like for battery power. But I think it's just a very stylish motif. And then on the inside of the arm, I don't know if you can see on this bit here, it's got a registration code and made in China. And on the other arm, it says, can we focus on that? Ash Onyx. So there we go. And then it also says on the front of the glasses, there we go, Gunnar. How cool is this? So if you want to change the lenses, so for instance, if you want other lenses that you've purchased, you can, I believe, move this out like you do on the other one and maybe just pull the lenses out. But I'm not going to do that because I don't have any replacement lenses. But this nose piece seems quite adjustable, which is really good. So depending on your preference and your comfort, you can adjust this nose piece. It's not as easy to move around as on the Lightning Bolt 360, but it is quite malleable in that same regard, so that it will be soft and not hurt your nose. So these are the new Gunnar Siege 6 in association with Ubisoft Entertainment Siege 6 glasses with the special amber tint to protect your eyes. So not only can you look super cool while you're playing, you're protecting your eyes as well. I can't wait to try these out. These look very cool. So let me place those over there so you can pull this away slightly so you can see it better. Okay, so the aim is when you're wearing them, you will look very cool like this lady here, and you will be ready for combat. Cool, so I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video of the Gunnar Siege 6 glasses. We have many other unboxing videos on Cube 3. We have the Gunnar Lightning Bolt 360 glasses that were unboxed and thoroughly tried. And we have all sorts of products from Anker, battery chargers, battery packs. We have headphones, earphones, speakers. We have all sorts of different things. So be sure to like Cubed 3 on YouTube, hit the little bell for your notifications, and I will have more for you in the near future. Thank you very much. Bye for now.